Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how to resize videos or images. So I have here both two videos I have here, and I like to resize them. So what you have to do first is to go here in the effect and right crop, and then grab the crop and drag it to the video. And now this is what you will have. I already have one here, but this crop here, now I can move it and hold control. So it's like slower, the crop, and now I'll move to the right side, crop from this side, from the top. And now I can grab this, but this is what will happen if I grab it like this. So make sure you grab it, but before you do so, you actually cancel, and now you'll grab this entire, so you can grab this, not the crop part, but the actually entire image. And now if I right click here and I click on scale, set to a scale to frame size, this is what will happen. Now I'll just have to go to the second one, grab, crop and drag it to the video. And now I'll crop from this side as well. And now I can right click and set to frame size. I can also double click and I can move it exactly where I want. Move it above this one. Now we have both of these videos playing alongside, and also I crop them and the way I like, and I just resize them, and now if you want to change, you can also go to sequence, and here you can change the quality of your, or just change the project. If you want to change the frame size, you can do it from here as well, which is great. Maybe you want a different resolution, you can do it from here. And if you want maybe for social media, 180 by 1920, and click on OK. And now this is the resolution, and we have another video, but here, no problem, we can also copy videos and move them exactly in our project and just resize them now. And it's quite simple. Now move them like this, double click, increase the size like this, move like this, and now we have our video. Now if you only want to render this portion, click on I here, and then go to the end and O, and it will render only this portion. Will export only this portion. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.